It was on a summer's morning, all in the month of May. Down by yon shady arbor, I carelessly did stray. It was there I met this charming maid, most pleasing to my view. And the title that she gave herself was the Maid of Ballydoo. I gently stepped up to her, and unto her did say, "Are you Aurora, or Flo, the Queen of May? Or is it the fair Helen that appears all in my view?" But the title that she gave herself was the Maid of Ballydoo. And quickly she made answer, and this to me did say, "Oh no, I'm not Aurora, nor Flo, the Queen of May, nor yet am I fair Helen that appears all in your view. So I pray, young man, go and leave me on the rocks of Ballydoo." I took her by the lily-white hand, and by the waist so small, and I showed her my father's gardens down by the river band, where the sheep and lambs do sport and play the trouts and salmon too. And says I, "Sweet maid, don't be afraid to leave all Ballydoo." Well, it was with great persuasion that I got her for to give consent, and hand in hand together it was Hilltown down we went, where we there got liquor of the best, and some of the Mountain Dew. And she soon forgot the vow she made when leaving Ballydoo. It was on a summer's evening, all in the month of June. I was sitting silently, condoling at my loom. My scissors they cut sweetly, and my shuttle nimbly flew, when I first composed these verses on the Maid of